we've done some pretty amazing things together. It all started when we thought to ourselves, there's gotta be a better way to work with data that makes it easier for developers to create modern applications that scale. Then we got to work. We embraced the document model in version 1.0, built an incredible community platform that's seen hundreds of millions of downloads. Then we went even further, removed operational complexity, launched Atlas in the cloud, then whoosh, your ideas really came to life. Because your vision, plus our innovative data platform, became a force to be reckoned with. Together, we moved the world forward, turned keystrokes into key milestones, made apps that change the way we work, eat, live, play, move, and communicate. And our foot's still on the gas. We've integrated search, mobile, and visualization across a multi-cloud platform, helping customers everywhere build their tomorrows. Our technology allows over 35,000 customers globally to set a breakneck pace of innovation across nearly every industry. But we're not done yet, and neither are you, because what lies ahead is even more exciting. It holds more promise, more possibility, more, wow, how'd they think of that? Tomorrow, in other words, is even brighter than today. Tomorrow, we help support newer and more awe-inspiring applications. The applications you haven't dreamed up yet, but will, soon. Just imagine what you'll think of that we can help power. Imagine what you'll invent that we can help you build. Given all we've accomplished so far, just imagine what we'll do tomorrow.